Presenting the 2015 Mazda CX-5 Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input, backup camera and blind spot monitor. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.